Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to be cleaning my room. It's like 3 p.m. I did school earlier, but I will be doing more school later. I just need to reorganize all this disaster I have in the background. So I got these deodorants, which I did a Walmart haul on my TikTok if you guys didn't see. So I got this one. This is a pomegranate lemon verbena. And then I got this vanilla, not vanilla, but shea butter. And I just need to clean up all this mess I have right now. My pajamas, some clothes. I need to get rid of my blanket over there, my bathing suit, and some stuff here that I need to figure out where I'm going to organize to put this back in the spot. I'm just going to put my little eyelash box away because I usually store my eyelashes in here once I'm done using them. I have to get rid of this bra, which I love so much. I kept it in my dresser for a long time. It no longer fits me, and I'm still the same size, but it doesn't fit me. I will be selling it, so check out my Depop. So I'm just gonna put some sweaters away, and I'll have a lot of like clean, empty space once I put my more sweaters away. So I folded my pajamas. I will be using them tonight. Look at this cute visor I thrifted a while ago. I got it for like $1, literally like $1. It's vintage. I'm ready for the summer, you guys. I'm ready to play tennis. I don't have that much to clean in my room, to be honest. Like, I usually try to keep it as clean as possible. I need to have you guys facing me because I feel like one of those cartoon characters where they never show their faces. So I feel like I don't need to do so much in my room to clean, because I usually try to keep it as clean as possible. And I try to organize my room every single day. I make my bed every single morning, literally, and I still somehow feel like my life is falling apart. I thrifted this shirt a while ago, and it's like missing one button, and I would just wear it as like throw it on, you know, like very casual, the beach cover up. I don't know. I was gonna get rid of it, but I think I'm gonna keep it because it's so cute. And I got it at Indiana at the Goodwill bins. So here's this little old man because he won't stop barking. So here's one thing. Don't judge me because I literally, like, look at this. Look at this. I reorganize this like 20 times a month. And look at this. I don't even wear most of these clothes. So an organizing tip I have, if you guys like antiques or like thrifting, I found this box, this glove box from like the 50s or like the 40s. I organized all of my like tech things, my camera adapters, my blue light blocking glasses, which I don't use anymore because my eye doctor told me to stop using them. And I have my little wireless mouse and all that kind of stuff. So I just store everything that's extra for my phones or anything like that in here. I'm putting my skincare away in my closet and my deodorants because it's cold in there. So I just shove everything on the floor and like it's all cold, nice and cold on my face, my body. I know this is not the best angle, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do when I'm selling things, like how I take photos of everything. I do have a dress form or a mannequin, whatever you want to call it. First of all, I dress her up. Okay, so I listed that bra on my Depop. If you guys are interested in it, if you guys fit in it, and definitely go check out my Depop. I'm gonna put her on a sleeveless vest that I have with like my Bowie Blondie patches. So anyways, we're just gonna keep her very vintage, very like 90s, well, more like 70s grunge. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. And it looks nicer because it's more simple and it's giving a different vibe instead of just pajamas, because this is killing me right now. So I'm downstairs in my studio in the basement, so I brought some stuff down. I brought my 3 Stephen King books that I bought a while ago. 3 Stephen King books I thrifted a while ago because I love his books. I want to put them on my desk. I think they're from like the 90s and the 2000s. but I'm gonna put them here for now. But I definitely want to put them on my desk once I have my desk painted. So I'm gonna place my blankets here. Once I'm done with all of this, I might broom. I might not vacuum just because I don't want to make noise. I'm gonna do my nails with a gel nail kit that my sister got. Just looks like a long beige blanket. I have this mess right now, but I'm using my bag as my tripod for now. I mean, it's pretty organized, but I do have to like dust everything. That makeup, I still need to see where I'm gonna put that stuff. I need to dust this, definitely. So I'm done doing my nails and they came out looking awful. We'll never be doing this nail polish color ever again. I'm just dusting a little bit because I don't really have, again, I don't have a lot of a mess in my room. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish off dusting. I don't think I will be using some wood stain because some wood cleaner because I usually clean my wood. Any stained wood that I have or my dresser. I mostly just get a bunch of dust. I already cleaned the mirrors a few days ago. Look at this camera, it's all like dirty. So I am done cleaning my room. This is a light cleaning of my room. When I do a deep cleaning, I literally take everything apart and clean everything and use wood cleaner. I did that a while ago. I haven't really deep cleaned my room in such a long time. I just get really tired of deep clean because I move from one place to another and I get like, I don't get dizzy, but I just get like so weird. Ever since I changed the entire aesthetic of my room, if you guys have watched my first room tour video, you guys would see the difference from that video and from now. I did a room tour like 3 months ago. I filled it up with a bunch of things. Currently enjoying my little diffuser from Vitruvi that they gifted to me, but it fell and I almost broke it. So yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling for the rest of the day. I hope this gives you motivation to clean your room, because it is so important to keep a clean environment for your mind. I will see you guys in my next video.